Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christy, and today we're going to check out a super top artificial intelligence website that will save us from spending hours editing a video on the computer, and with just one clip. We'll have it ready in just a moment, so pay close attention. The app we're going to talk about is called Beagle. This app has some really fun features that are super viral, and honestly they're very easy to do. And with just one click, we're going to try to create those viral videos that you see all the time on TikTok and Instagram. Honestly, I thought it was super cool, and I want to check out this app with you so you can share this moment with me and then let me know in the comments what you think. So stay until the end of the video because we're going to dive into the app and we're going to check out the most viral stuff. Don't miss it, okay? Now let's look at the screen and see what we've got here. This is the screen you see when you enter, okay? We're looking at it from the PC, and here, as you can see, is the name of the app, which is called Beagle. And we have several options: home, profile, library, mix, character refinement, I suppose. Yes, thank you. Multi-track, text, video, text, image, time exchange, and mini apps. We can translate it into English, and here we have the app's social media links. Let's do a little bit more exploring together and see exactly what we can discover carefully hidden here. I guess this would be for where it says mix, so you can upload your video, import it here, and have the images. That's what we're going to look at now. The real examples that are available. All right, so that would be the screen where we would make our video. Okay, this would be for images. That's very easy. You would have to upload the image here, and for example, here we have some characters, the characters that I have. On one hand, we have Mr. Bean, and I'm a huge fan of Mr. Bean. And here, well, you would see, thank you. Within the different profiles you can create, okay, so right here in this section, you would perform the mix, upload your own personal photo, and then you would have your very own custom character. There are also many other characters that are currently available for you to choose from. For example, we have the world famous Jackie Chan, we have the iconic Shrek, and I have to say that I am a huge fan of Shrek, and I also absolutely love the character Kratos. Here we have a Super Saiyan. Orion, the little dog, is cute, he's funny, there are a lot of dog videos, and we have a green cat. Okay, mixed. This would be an example of images turned into characters. Let's see what else there is. Multi-track. This is very interesting because here you would upload the videos by clicking upload videos, and they are converted just like in the example. Here at the beginning of the video, you can see the real image and how it's turned into a kind of anime. For example, here we have another example. They're playing basketball, and suddenly they're also playing on an anime style court. Also here we had the example of the dog, well, two animals, a dog and a deer, also turned into an image. This is just to say thank you. So you can see what you can achieve from an image. For example, sitting in the kitchen and I'm cooking this, you can create an image like this with whatever characters you want to create. What else? Right now, this would be the top feature. Who hasn't seen these videos? I'm tired of seeing them on social media. They seem super realistic to me, and they really do the trick. In fact, there are many Instagrammers who have passed off these images as real until people started noticing that a lot of people were posting them and realized they weren't real. But really, for example, who hasn't seen that image of just any girl at a soccer or volleyball game? Well, she's just sitting in the stands having a drink. And I mean, wow, it's super realistic. Look at the smile, everything, it's amazing. I've already seen this video in several places, and I think it's incredible. This one, for example, from the Argentina match. Same thing. I think these videos look super realistic. You just have to upload your photo, and from your photo it creates a real video. We can try it out later so you can see for yourselves how real it is, how it works with one of my photos. If you like it, go ahead and like this video a lot, because what I want to do is simply show you what possibilities there are with this app, which I think is really, really top notch. Look, for example, at this fairy. Hello. I mean, it's amazing. Of course, it turns you into a fairy and you look fantastic. It would be kind of random to find a fairy at a match, but Hey, I think it's spectacular. What else? What else? This is super trendy right now, right? Being able to create the scene. This one seems incredible to me, and I suppose we have. So if you need to make an ad for something specific or for a particular product, this can really help you fit it in. For example, this one, let's see, let's check this one out. Just imagine yourself walking into a match dressed as a pirate. I'm not really sure why, but well, having this image, maybe there's someone who would be really excited to have this image, right? And like that, well, I don't know, with a video game. In the end, there are endless ideas, but I do have to tell you that the most viral and top content right now are these kinds of videos of someone in the crowd and you looking at the camera or not. But this type of video has become really viral. And now, especially if you're enjoying this kind of video, if you like and are interested in AI videos, which you can make so you don't have to waste time editing a video. Above all, I need you to subscribe and leave a like so I know you're there and supporting me to be able to make more content like this. And I think we'll all learn a lot from AI because honestly, who doesn't use AI these days? All right, now let's look at something else that's very interesting. Let's check it out on the screen. Images from scratch from your gallery. In the end, let's use this image as an example. Basically, what you'll be able to do is create the image with whatever you need. So this is when you use the mix, but just so you can see the types of images that have been created. Look, I think it's super cute. Most likely, this guy was in his room playing, took a picture of himself and uploaded it to, I bet it's from Zootopia. The bunny from Zootopia seems super adorable to me. I think it's a really cool tool. For example, I don't know, this right here. So turning this image, possibly this image has something real about it, right? And it turned into a Nike sneaker with his little dog. Well, hey, I think it's amazing to be able to do this. A cat cooking, right? And the other one behind with the little plate. This kind of image that's created from scratch. I mean, it even says so up here, okay? Image generation creates images from scratch. So in the end, here you can enter the text, the image you want to see. The pirate shows up again. So the pirate with a ton of money and people behind him. This is what I'm telling you is super top notch. I mean, look at this craziness. I mean, perfect skin. She looks like a girl to me, you know? Well, actually, here it already tells us right here. A stunning young woman with long dark brown hair and tanned skin. The smoky eye makeup. I understand that you can enter the text of what you wanted to create for you. I think it's amazing, honestly. I find it super, super interesting, guys. The app is completely free. I'll leave the link down below in the description so you can go in, download it, play around, check it out, and so you can convert and create. All right. I really think it's super interesting. I'll leave it down below so you can check it out, and I hope you like it as much as I do. And let's keep exploring AI stuff together. Leave your questions or suggestions down in the comments about what you'd like to see, and we can play around with it together. Don't forget to leave a like if you had fun with me for a while. Subscribe so you don't miss any kind of content. And let me know in the comments which of the characters we've seen is your favorite. Which one did you like the most? A big hug. See you in the next video. Hope to see you soon. See you.